Hey, more money, old monkey, get down.
Nobody doubt it. Just another rendition of your hole in the wall messy miracle bench. And that was 10:43. 1-0, good God. Well, hey, man. God giving us some DX today. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm smoking more weed than him, and that whooping stick just put it down around the Pistol Grip New York video gate. Pistol Grip 127, Brooklyn, New York, back quiet. Man, I tell you what, it's a train wreck. It's a train wreck. I need somebody to clean out the Pistol Rip. It's a train wreck. I need somebody to clean out the Pistol Range. Pistol Grip 127, New York, back quiet. That is in Missouri, but you're blowing smoke around New York. Hey, Rocco. Hey, Rocco, I hear you out there, Rocco. Pistol Grip, New York City, go. Let's see if I can put a little digging out. Let's see if Pistol Grip got any kind of condition. Pistol Grip 127, Brooklyn, New York, back in my quiet chair. I guess old Pistol Grip got no Mother Nature out of New York. I guess old Pistol Grip can't get his name called today. Old Pistol Grip 127, New York, in the waiting room. Man, I'm about to call this video gate no condition for Pistol. I'm about to call this video gate no condition for Pistol. Oh, Pistol Grip, Brooklyn, New York, back in my quiet chair.
Fucking man, 101, man, with this kid getting down.
I got a train wreck and no Mother Nature, Pistol Grip. I got a train wreck and no Mother Nature, Pistol Grip. I got a train wreck and no Mother Nature, Pistol Grip, New York, in the waiting room.
Hey, shotgun. Tell that old crazy D, 101 town man in Alabama said play with a big 5 break.
Hey, 101 in the BAM, can you say pistol? Hey, 101 in the BAM, can you say pistol? Man, I hear somebody trying to put it to 127, but I didn't get that 28, man. I heard somebody trying to put it in the Pistol Grip New York video gate. I got that video gate rolling. Pistol Grip 127, Brooklyn, New York in the waiting room.
Yeah, man. I tell you, man, it's so cold down here in Alabama. We may have to head north. Shotgun, Massachusetts, take care. 101. Alabama with this whooping.
Man, I heard you say 127. You're sounding good, but I still couldn't get that number, man. Oh, Mother Nature, she's sticking and moving, man. I heard you say Pistol Grip. You sound real good. But I got to get that 28. I got that Pistol Grip New York City video game rolling. Let's go. Ah, my goodness. I got a skip land playback with a full quiet. I got 991, I think. I got your Pistol Grip New York City video gate rolling. Pistol Grip 127. 6 minutes as I go. Hey, Red Truck, 6 minutes in the Pistol Grip video gate. Hey, yo, Red Truck, Pistol Grip 127 on YouTube. Pistol Grip with 2 P's in that grip. Pistol Grip with 2 P's in that grip. Pistol Grip 127 New York Hall. I want to know who that was with that playback. I want to know who that was with that DX Watergate. I want to know who that was with that DX Watergate. Me and this 949 Brooklyn, New York, where the stock market's flexing.
242, little Hollywood.
Hey, 242 Hollywood, you're in the New York video gate. Hey, 242 Hollywood, you made it to the Pistol New York video gate. 242 Pistol go. Oh, yeah, nobody doubt it. Oh, Pistol. Oh, Pistol, we're at Brooklyn, New York, back on my quiet chair. Cleaning out my New York video gate. Oh, little Hollywood all up in my New York City video gate. Pistol Grip 127 on YouTube, and I'm gone. Hey, 6-pack, if I can't hear you, my radio broke. Hey, 6-pack, I don't drink. I don't drink 6-pack on the bar. I don't drink 6-pack, I'm gone.
No,